Hello, teacher. I'm gonna talk about the PIA of the Inglés para Ingeniería. My team is the team two, and they will be confirmed by Pedro Carrington, me, Evaristo Castillo, José Castrejón, and Dariana Cortez. I'm going to talk about the introduction of the AI. That is like one artificial intelligence that transforming the field of engineering. And in this project, we want to talk about how this AI can be the transforming the the solve problems during the work that you can solve in the industry. For example, we during the homeworks or something like you can you do like be difficult, the AI can um, help you to be more easy to do like do homeworks or do tasks. And for example, in the work, you can do like a multitask or repetitive tasks, and they be automate and complex systems and develop the solutions across the disciplines. Um, and this be and we talk about how it be function during this project and how do you can apply in the industry. We have the automation and efficiency, the productive capabilities, and optimization innovation. During the project, we see how the AI can solve the problems in these four areas. For example, in automation, the aim is to streamline workflows, reducing time spent over time. Productive capabilities, the machine learning models are engineered or to forecast system behavior, um, anticipate failures, and improve maintenance strategies. Of the optimizations, the EA can do algorithms more easy than can do like a one engineer or not is easy, more fast, and the engineer can just check the or be like a quality the algorithm. And the innovation, well, if you put your ideas in the EA can make the ideas like a reality. For example, be like a smart manufacturing and intelligent infrastructure. For the research methodology to this study, the study was conducted through a systematic review of systemic literature. The databases such as EAAA Explorer, Springer Science Direct, and Nature. The keyword selections for this project be like artificial intelligence, industry engineering, smart manufacturing, optimization, and lean manufacturing. And well, we can see a lot of this how the EA can solve these problems and can how they can help us. At the content or analysis is the extraction of definitions, tools, mathematical models, and quantitative results. Comparisons of different EA approaches applied to production, logistics, and maintenance. Thank you, teacher.
I am Dariana and I am going to talk about scientific terminology of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a system capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. Machine learning are algorithms that learn patterns from historical data. Deep learning is a deep neural networks using computer vision prediction and recognition. Internet of Things are connected sensors that generate real-time data. Digital twin is a virtual replica of an industrial process for analysis and simulation. Predictive maintenance is the use of artificial intelligence to predict failures before they occur. Intelligent robotics are robots that perceive, decide, and act without human supervision. Industrial processes where artificial intelligence is applied. First of all, we have manufacturing and production. Artificial intelligence helps to have automated quality control through computer vision, layout optimization using evolutionary algorithms, line balancing with supervised learning models, demand forecasting, and production planning. Then we have logistics and supply chain, intelligence transportation routing, inventory management and prediction, warehouse optimization using autonomous robots. The third we have is industrial safety and ergonomics, risk monitoring with intelligence cameras, systems that detect unsafe worker postures, and the last one is predictive maintenance. Is algorithms that detect vibration, abnormal temperatures, and pattern indicator future failures.
Hi, my name is Pedro Alonso, and today I'm going to talking about two tools used for industrial engineering. Python and EA libraries is very important for the engineering because Python is a very common tool in industrial engineering because it's too easy to use and powerful for data analysis. EA libraries like TensorFlow and Python Church help with demand prediction, product maintenance, process optimizations, images and analysis for quality control, simulation and statistics, and for help make faster data-based decisions. MES and ERP systems with an intelligent EA is to help to manage production and company operations in a real time. They are used for tracking production process, automating inventory purchasing, and work orders, analyzing performance, detecting bottlenecks, and with AI algorithms, planning resources using historical data. An example for include is AAP, Oracle, Odoo, and Siemens Op Center. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Josue, and here we have some points to highlight. The first one is IE reduces efficiency by 20, by 80% to 35%. How it achieved this? Improved production settling sequences, parameter adjustments to reduce defects, and early detection of bottlenecks. Example, the system recommends batch order to reduce tool change and setup times. Second one is predictive maintains reduces unexpected failures up to 60%. How did it achieve this? It analyzes machine signals, vibration, temperature, power consumption, and detects anomalies before they become failures. Example, your bearing is degrading. It is replaced during a plane window, not during an emergency shutdown. The point number three is IE plus lane reduces transportation and inventory by 20% to 40%. How did I achieve this? Lane identifies waste. AI helps optimize internal routes, canvas style, replacement with real-time data, and reduces work in progress. Example, relocating a picking point or implementing mill runs with optimal routes so that material arrives just in time. The number four, i.e., logistics saves up to 25%. How to achieve this? Route, route optimization, fewer kilometers and better load capacity, plus demand forecasting and more precise inventory policies, less panic stock. Example, the system adjusts routes based on traffic times and recommends how to much to stock per store customer. And the point number five is machine vision, accelerates expectation by 30% to 50%. How to achieve this? Cameras, i.e., expect all percent of parts online with rapid decision, OC, not OC, and evidence recording. Example, detecting stretches, boards, missing parts, incorrect assembly, or out of tolerance measurements. And the point number six is the conclusion. AI transform processes. It's not just about roboticing. It's about making better decisions, production, preventing failures, maintenance, detecting defects, quality, and moving material more efficiently. Logistic. The improvement is greatest when there is already reliable data, stable process, and lean discipline standards. 5S continuous improvement. And finally, the conclusion is artificial intelligence represents a decisive advance over industrial engineering as it allows for the analysis of complex data, the automation of operations, improve productivity, and excellent quality. The application review shows significant impacts in manufacturing, logistics, ergonomics, and maintenance. Furthermore, the adoption of AI drives the transformation towards smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0, where systems are autonomous, efficient, and self-optimizing. It is concluded that IA not only complements but also enhances traditional industry engineering tools, becoming a fundamental competency for the engineer of the future. And we have the bibliography. So thank you.